Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about relieving neck tension in the back of your head or your suboccipitals. So what happens is a lot of us spend a lot of time here, and we adopt this posture where we lean forward here and we stick our neck out here and we tight, or we just spend a lot of time like this. And what happens is the back of our neck can get very short, just much like our hip flexors can get very short, always spending time here. So what happens is we live in this posture from work or computer work or whatever we're doing, and we reinforce this day after day after day. And we stop using our glutes, or they get sleepy, or you get what's called glute amnesia, or you're just really not using your butt, so it's not there. Same thing, we're not using these muscles here, our deep neck flexors. They get sleepy too because there's no demand for them. So we get tight here, and we adopt this. Even when we stand, your neck might go into the room before your body does, or your head. So today I just wanted to give you a tip on how to wake these back up, your deep neck flexors, and relieve the tension in the back of your head or your neck. We've already talked about waking up the glutes before, so that's another video that we've already done, but we can do another one. Anyway, all we want to do is wake up our deep neck flexors. And the way we're going to do that is hopefully you can rest your head on the floor. You're not permanently stuck here. And if you are, just get a bolster or a pillow and put under your head. Get in a place of comfort. And what we're going to do is make chin tucks. We're just going to take our chin and try to touch it to our throat, like you're creating double chins. This is actually when you want to have double chins. And we're just going to move in and out of that chin tuck. So it's tuck your chin to your throat, relax. The head stays on the floor, by the way. So keep your head on the floor or your pillow, your bolster, whatever you're using. And you want to use your eyes to lead the head. So you're looking down as if you're trying to check and see if you spilled chocolate ice cream on your shirt or ketchup. But not both, because ketchup and chocolate ice cream together would mean you're doing something completely wrong. Don't ever, those two things should never be together. All right, so you're gonna take your eyes down to look at your shirt. You're gonna make double chins by tucking your chin to your throat. And you're just gonna move in and out of that. So it's eyes and head, relax, eyes and head, relax. And it's a very small motion. But if you are tight back here, you're gonna feel this, because you're waking up these neck flexors and you're lengthening your suboccipitals, or the tendons in the back of your head. You're lengthening those. So you may feel that tension. And if it causes a headache, you can stop and just massage the back of your head and help relieve that tension. But anyway, you're just gonna make little chin tucks in and out, and you don't have to do a lot of these, but you might want to do them regularly and often to wake up your deep neck flexors, or your elongus coli. And yet it feels like you're making double chins, and that feels all weird, but you're alone, nobody's watching you, nobody cares. Besides, it's your health, your body. You're just trying to turn on your deep neck flexors, set your neck free, and relieve tension in the back of your head, and restore your posture. Because posture is reflexive, but it's also the position that you get because of the habits that you keep. So if you develop the habit of turning your neck flexors back on, you may restore your posture. The biggest rule here is don't move into pain. Now, discomfort is different from pain, so hopefully you know the difference. Pain means, ow, stop doing that, and discomfort means, okay, something's weird. I'm not sure if I like that, but it may be okay. And don't hold your breath when you do the chin tucks, and keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. All right, so that's our tip this week, how to relieve tension in the back of your head by turning on your deep neck flexors. Same way that you would turn on your glutes to relieve tension in your hip flexors. Basically, it's kind of the same thing. You're giving love to one area that's been neglected, so the other area that has become short and tight can be set free. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.